Hello and welcome. In this section, we'll be predicting demand for airline travel. And we are especially interested in the number of people that will be traveling by airlines in the next year worldwide. This will be our end goal, to predict this specific number. And to solve this problem, we need to solve a time series forecasting problem, which means that we're working with a data that relates to a specific time frame. We want to predict a data point in the future. And our a little bit more general goal would be to understand the basics behind solving these types of problems using deep learning methods. And we'll be focusing on the practical aspects of each steps of solving this problem, and that means that we'll keep the theory to the minimum. So let's go our project's plan and steps to solve our problem. So the first step that we need to do is that we need to download and prepare our airline data. That means that we need to get it from the right place in the right format, and we need to make sure that it's consistent so we don't have any problems during the training. And after that, we need to modify it so it will be treated as a supervised learning problem, and our neural network will understand what to do with it. After we've got our data prepared, then we can define our neural network model. We'll be using a specific architecture which is quite basic and general, which is multi-layer perceptron. After that, we can train it with the data that we've prepared. The training means that we injected the data into the model, and model learns over a period of time. Once we've got our model, then we can evaluate, and the first step to do that is to understand the metrics that will tell us how well we're doing with our model, with our predictions. And after that, we need to create a baseline predictions that will tell us if we're getting better or worse when it comes to predictions. And the last step is to make the actual predictions, so we'll get the actual number of people that we're interested in. And the last thing that we will be talking about is that we'll be going through some of the steps and ideas that will help us improve the performance of this model.